Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 1 and 2 from chapter 4 multiplication. See question. Okay. Find the missing number. Student, I have given some question is here and here is some answer is missing here. You are to do fill yourself. First of all we will read it. Listen, like the student, we will check first question. 9, first of all you are to check ki what is this. Yes, we can see ki all are like this according to table. Okay, we will complete it according to table. Yes, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, 9 9 ja 81, 9 10 ja 90. And second, speak all. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54, 6 10 ja 60. And third one is 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56 ja 63, 7 10 ja 70. Student, you are to complete all question. See, like this table. Okay. We will take D question. Okay, we will solve D question. Speak counting by 2. Yes student, today we will discuss D question speak counting. Student, you have read this previous classic speak counting. Do you know? Yes. Listen first. Suppose speak counting by 2. Speak counting by 2. Listen. Okay, we can write that type B, we can write here that type. Suppose I have given you that type example. Okay, you, and you have to do here, you have to fill here. You have 72 number. Here speak counting by 2. So we will jump like this 2 number. Okay, we will take 2 finger here. Here is number is 72. What will come? Listen, what will come after 72? 73, 74. We will here write answer 74. Got it? Or we will jump again to number 74 after 75, 76. We will put here 76. Got it student? Next one is like this type 80. You have 80 number. Why speak counting by 2? We will jump 2 number 80 after 81, 82. We will write here 2. Okay, 82. Again we will jump 2 number. Listen. 82 after 83, 84. We will put here 84. Got it? Speak counting by 2. Okay. And we can do other type also. Listen, I have taken here 72. We will put here 72 number in rough side. Okay. Like this rough side we will put 72 number. Okay. Like speak counting by 2. आपको किसकी speak counting करनी है? 2 number. Okay. Listen, this is your tens number. We will put here tens. Do you know? This is your tens number. And but 2 is your ones number. 2 is your ones number. So we will put ones number from ones down side. Ones down side. Okay. And after that we will do add. Okay. Like 2 and 2, 4 and 7 is 7. Yes. Your answer you can match here. Here also 72. Here also 72. So your answer is right. Got it student? And next one is, listen. Next one. Suppose I have taken 72, so your answer is 70. Here is answer is 74. So here also answer is 74. अब again we will add 2 in this question. 4 after 2, 6, and we will get is 7. Like this 76, and your answer is 76. Okay. We can do that 2 types. We can according to counting, and we can do according to addition also. Speak counting. Okay. We will see more example. Like this, I have taken. Speak counting by 5. Okay, and listen, I have given you number. Yes, listen, दिस इज योर 80 एंड स्पीड काउंटिंग बाय 5 है आपकी. तो लाइक दिस वी विल ओपन 5 फिंगर. You have digit 80, 80 after 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. We will put here 85. Okay. And here 85 after we will again count 5 number. Listen, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 90 is your number. Okay. And we can do other type like this according addition. Same as it is same. We will take that digit in rough notebook like this type 80 and speed counting is your 5. So you can keep things in your mind. Listen, here this is your tens number, or but 5 is, we have 5 is ones number. Ones number we will put ones downside. Okay. After that we will put add and we will solve out. Listen, 0 means nothing. You have 5 trophy, we will put 5. Okay. Here is 8, so 8 like this type. Your answer is same. You can say this is same your answer, and we can do again like this type. We will do again 5 add. Okay, like 5 5 10. 10 is tens number, ones number we will put here and tens number we will put upper side. Got it? And 8 or 1 9 9. You can make your answer both. Your both answer is right. You can do two types of skip counting like this according to counting and like this according to addition. Okay, we will see some more example also. Suppose I have taken here 50, okay, and I have taken here 100. Okay, I want to take, got it? Speak counting by 5, 50. Do you know? And you have 100 rupees. Okay, you will add. Listen, you will add 50 from this 100 number. Okay, listen, like this we will take 100 here. Got it? According to addition, I am telling you. Listen, this is your 100 number. And speed counting by 50, like this we will take 50 here. Okay, like 50 is your tens number, 50 is your tens number, but 100 is your 100 number, 100. Listen, yes, we will put ones number downside, we will put tens number downside. Okay, 100 place is not here, so we will put 100 in addition, and we will do add like this 0 0 0 0 and 0 5 is 5 and 1 is 1. Your what answer you yes, your answer is 150. Got it? And next answer we will add also again like this. You have 150, we will add again 50 in this question. Okay, like 0 0 is 0, 5 and 5 10, 10 is your tens number, we will put ones number is here, we will put tens number is upper side. Got it? 1 and 1 2 here, so what is this? Your 200, like this 200. Okay, got it? And the same as it is you can do. Suppose I have write here 100, speak counting by 100, speak counting by 100. Okay, suppose I have given you a number 100, we will put in rough side 100, or like this we have a speak counting also 100, we will put, yes, 100. We will first of all we will arrange ones number ones downside, tens number tens downside, and 100 number 100 downside. Okay, after that we will add. Okay, like this 0 0 0 is 0, 0 0 0 is 0, and 1 and 1 is 2. So your answer is 200. We will we want to take one answer more, like this time we will again add 100 in this question. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 2 and 1 3, like this 300. Okay, we can do that type of speak counting, right? If here is speak counting right 2, so we can add here 2. If speak counting right is here, we can add here 5. If speak counting by 20, we can add here 20. If you speak counting by 50, we can add 50. बस like this type. First आपको क्या करना है, आपको फर्स्ट थिंग सी करनी है माइंड में भी, और लाइक दिस सी भी करना है, देखना भी है कि जो आपके पास जो डिजिट होती है वो डिजिट 100 प्लेस पर 100 फिगर में है, या लाइक दिस है वो टेंस में है या वो वंस में है. ओनली फर्स्ट यू आर टू अरेंज इन प्रॉपर वे, आपको उसको अरेंज करना है प्रॉपर वे में. ओके, सपोज हियर इज 10, हियर इज 10, so we will arrange like this. This is your tens number, but this is your 100 number. We will put ones downside and tens downside, and after that we will add. Okay, add. You can do speak counting according to your addition. Okay, I have given, yes, you are to do question number 6 in your notebook. and listen, speak counting by 2. Speak counting by 2, speak counting by 2. Here, keep counting. Speak counting by 5. Okay, I have given that 50, 20 and 100. Okay, that is one. Second and third one is keep counting by 50. 50. I have given like this type 50, 100 and 500. Okay. Next, 4, skip counting by 100. 100, listen, 100, 500, and I have given one question more like this, 5th, skip counting by 10. Okay, like this, 30, 90 and 150. Okay, you are to do question C and D all in your notebook. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.